Hey everyone, you know what they say, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Well, this time I'm in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh City. And what this city is more famous for than anything else is motorcycles and motor scooters particularly. And when I was there, I rented one and I drove in this craziness and I had more fun than I've ever had. So welcome to Ho Chi Minh City. This is efficiency. This motorcycle is not wasting a thing. It's the lunch cart, and even the soda's right there. Everything is dialed in, 100%. Honestly, the sights and sounds in Vietnam are like no other place on earth. It is one crazy place, and I got to experience it firsthand on a motorcycle. And it is just crazy how many there are. There must be millions at any one time, and they navigate the streets seamlessly. And I'm going to tell you something, I never saw one accident. No matter what crazy thing I saw people carrying, not one accident. Nobody hit anyone. You know why? Because everyone travels at this constant rate of speed. So the closure rate is very slow, and people can react very easily to one another. To say the least, it's an enigmatic transportation system. I've never seen anything like it in my life, but it is really effective and very efficient. Well, there could be a major traffic jam amongst cars. The motorcycles, like little bees, weave in and out of each other and get exactly where you need to go. They have a transportation system called Grab, which is basically a rent-a-motorcycle, and I did that as well. They have a helmet, you jump on, and away you go. But you might see some unusual things along the trip, and this was no exception. Everywhere I went, I saw people carrying huge things on the back of their motor scooters while navigating in and out of traffic. It was so cool and quite amazing. You know, we think of all the traffic signals and lights and all the things we put in to manage people, but yet people are perfectly able to self-manage themselves on these incredibly efficient scooters. But just when you think you've seen it all, a full-size refrigerator upright on the back of the scooter. I thought I was seeing things. Yes, that is a full-size refrigerator on the back of a scooter. I had to slow it down because nobody would believe me. But I saw it with my own eyes, and I was actually able to capture it on camera. Here it is, a full-size refrigerator upright on a scooter. And just when you thought there was no way it could get more outrageous, I'm driving down the road, I see this guy with 3 boxes, but what's this guy carrying? 13 pigs at 40 pounds each. Now you thought your F-150 could haul a load. That's over 500 pounds of pigs on one motorcycle. And forget about buying a franchise for the local dollar store. Just get a bike and put everything on it, and you've got a rolling dollar store. Check it out. And now the most amazing thing. I went into Hanoi at night, and there's this railroad track, and all these people are sitting around drinking coffee. Next thing you know, everybody's running and scrambling to put everything away because there's a train coming down the middle of the city. And I mean, if you don't get out of the way, you are going to be flattened. It was quite amazing. And then everybody goes right back to it, and the bikes start traveling and crossing all the streets, and it's just total chaos, but not a single accident anywhere. So at the end of the day, all you macho Americans with your big trucks and your dualies and your Cummins engines and all that stuff, well, the Vietnamese, they're running circles around you because for a fraction of the price, they're hauling twice as much and getting it there much more efficiently. At the end of the day, your F-150 sucks.